Hello, Chef here. Once again, a real quick knife review. This is a special set that Global has come out with. It is a like three-piece kitchen knife set. You're getting three of the most essential knives that you're going to want to use for your daily cooking. And man, it's a great way to start and get involved and get into higher end cutlery. So this set is a CDG 663738, and you get three essential pieces. First of all, the paring knife. You use the paring knife for all kinds of different things. It's nice because it's a 4-inch blade, straight, slight tapered point to it. Super polished edge. You're not going to beat the edge on this knife. Stays sharp for a long time. Very ergonomic, great feel. Doesn't matter if you're a lefty or a righty. This is a great little paring knife. You're going to use it for many things. Next, moving on, we have a Santoku knife with about a 5-inch blade. Air pockets make it go through the food easier, and they're staggered. Really nice. Polished edge, razor sharp, cool balance, cool feel. Lefty or righty, wow, love it. Great knife. And next, moving on to the big boy. This is the knife you're going to use for most of your cutting, chopping, slicing, dicing. What an awesome curve and angle on this knife. Love it. Love the shape, love the design. Many have copied this, but this is the best right here. So if you're looking for some new knives, I highly suggest you check this out. And once again, the number is CDG 663738. You can find them on the website right there. And wow, what a great set of knives. You're gonna love them. 1, 2, 3. And a great deal. It's actually discounted as a starter set. You're gonna get the good stuff the first time. Yeah. Have a great day.